Alright, so here we are at the clock tower. We did find a body last time, didn't we? Like, where is that? Like, we found a body just by zooming in somewhere.
The Bat's been in control for too long. It's about time we turn the tables on that freak.
There's a lot of people here, man. Guess it's a riot. I know, what about the dead body? Yeah, we press V and talk about this.
The killer is mutilating and posing as victims and then putting them on display.
He left opera music playing at the crime scene. He wants them to be found.
Yeah, and we found one of them. It was somewhere around here. Just forgot where it is, or was, I should say. No, I can't get to these two either.
Control, this is Falcon 5. I'm seeing a riot in progress. Cauldron District, over.
Poison Ivy's in town. Really? Over for brainwashing me in the asylum. Nice driving, idiot. He's right there. Just go. You want to take the wheel?
The gun is pretty effective, man. Taking out random people, sure. It works. Yeah, I should probably set a waypoint or something. Do I want to try doing this again?
I thought Arkham City was fun, but this is another level. I hear there's some nutcase going around, nailing people to walls.
Yeah, do you know where the next body is? You know what I think?
I can't wait till
the
Scarecrow
entrance might
releases
be
that
somewhere.
crap. Life was starting to get real boring around here.
Maybe on a cliff or something, or
Falcon 5 to control. Rioters in Chinatown, over.
so you rescued one of the guys here. Where the hell did I see that body?
You gotta hand it to Scarecrow. He's given us the keys to the whole city. Some freaks chaining up dead bodies. Sounds pretty bad. It's the freaking bat! Batman! It's got a freaking tank! Oh, God.
Okay, okay. You know what? Let me get on this bridge.
Come on, get us out of here!
Oh, you know what? Where am I? Okay, I'm on the bridge. Yeah, that works. can't leave the rope anymore,
Think we
huh?
should have evacuated? Nah.
What are you doing? Just... Oh my god, why don't you just fly? There you go. That works.
By the time we're finished, there's gonna be
Riddler
nothing
trophy
left of
found.
this stinking city.
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Just get on the bridge. If I could only get to this one. I just don't see the way to get there. Like I run around here, it's a bunch of fish.
Falcon 5 to control. We're tracking rioters on Bleak Island. Over.
And this just goes to the main road and... Well, that's not the way to get up there.
He's here! Run!
Ah, well. Guess we'll figure it out if you're supposed to. Anyway. Let's get this one. No, no, no. I want to go in. Get the trophy.
Any word from inside?
Nothing. We think there's a skeleton crew left in there, but they're not responding and the facility's locked down.
If they're still alive, I'll find them. They should be able to tell us what Scarecrow's up to.
What the hell?
Oh, great.
Come on, let's go! Come on, move! 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 Take cover!
Time to die, old man.
Unknown.
In death, he has nothing left to fear. Keep him away from Ace Chemicals. Your vengeance will come.
This ends tonight.
Oh, thanks. Well, that's easy enough to deal with.
Friend of yours?
Small gun.
Stay here, and I'll go find out.
Actually, I won't, first of all.
First, I need to investigate. If I leave Ace Chemicals, Scarecrow will unleash his toxin across the whole of Gotham.
Great, okay. Look at that, I'm already in. That's a big helicopter, man. Transport.
Oracle, whoever this guy is, he's assembled an army. I need a name.
All right. We've got something here from a black ops team operating in Venezuela. They discovered a hidden training facility housing soldiers bearing the same insignia. There's nothing but speculation on their commander, though. The only thing sources agree on is his name. The Arkham Knight.
Ooh.
The Arkham Knight. Hack into their comms. I need to know what they're planning.
Anything else?
There's a crew of Ace Chemicals workers left on site. They'll be able to help us track down Scarecrow and locate his bomb. I need to find them.
Each worker will be carrying a unique ID chip.
If I can access their personnel records, I'll be able to track them.
There's a security terminal in a booth near your location. Try there.
Use reductive mode. Oh, the bunch of tanks.
There were 5 soldiers, each one armed and dangerous. Before I can access that terminal, I'll need to take them down.
Not to mention these guys. Okay, give me a second. So Unknown is a military commander, pretty cool looking. 6 feet 200 pounds. Besides the discovery of a militia training facility in South America, virtually nothing is known of the Arkham Knight until his arrival in Gotham, where he quickly earned himself a fearless reputation among the city's leading criminals. Working together with Scarecrow, he has sworn to kill Batman and will stop at nothing until he is dead. Expert knowledge of Batman's tactics and fighting style, highly skilled military tactician, robotically synthesized voice. We also have the Bob we haven't read yet. Oh yeah, we did read it. Bruce Wayne, blah blah blah, and she found out.
The action is nearly complete.
Final evacuation of this facility will begin in T-minus 30 minutes.
All right. So I got two guys who are alone.
So it
That's
started.
easy enough.
Sure looks like it. This is the part I love. Taking people by surprise. Choppers coming over the horizon, blowing the crap out of the target. How come you're not on one of the choppers then? I ate something bad the other night. It's those damn rations. Still don't feel too hot. That sucks. Yeah, biggest operation ever, and I'm stuck in the rain outside a damn chemical plant, trying not to throw up. Operation said Batman could be heading this way. Maybe we can have some fun and be the ones who kill him. Whoever cooked up this plan is a genius. I still can't believe they took the bait and evacuated the city.
Okay, get me up there quick. Other guys coming over. Or not. Where are you going?
You know anything about chemistry? I know the masks won't keep us safe, but there's gotta be a way, right?
Alright. Two guys left. Double fear takedown. Bang. Done.
It's safe. to
Never
resist
seen,
it.
never shot. That's what I'm talking about. Do we get these points in XP? We do. Okay, so we can now access the terminal.
Let's see if Oracle was right. Data connection active. Data decrypting. Someone needs to upgrade their security protocols.
Two guys, three guys, 4 personnel, 5 I'm guessing total.
Oracle, I've got the ID codes. If I reach a high vantage point, I can use the bat scanner to locate the workers.
Okay, I've marked the tallest structure in the area on your map. Try not to fall.
Okay. Up there, huh? Take me up there then. So many tanks and all, man. Oh, here I am. At the very
This
top.
is perfect. I can release the bat scanner and search for the workers.
I've managed to intercept some radio traffic between Scarecrow and this Arkham Knight. Relaying it to you now.
I had him in my sights. I could have ended it right there.
We have not broken him yet. It will come.
Now I've waited long enough. Batman dies. Tonight.
Why do you hate him so much?
You can never understand.
Your revenge is at hand. This is his last night.
I'll make sure of it.
Any idea who the Arkham Knight is?
He does seem
Sounds
to
like
hate
the
me.
two of you might have some history.
I've made a lot of enemies.
Yeah, that's true. He is Batman. Okay. Gerald Vicker, 35, maintenance safety engineer. And we got Martin Drisher, 38, agricultural chemicals, compliance engineer. One person here, probably. Mark Chung, unit operation system operator. And Adam Brewer, 49, synthetics manufacturer, lead processor engineer, or lead processor engineer, I'm guessing. We already have that guy? Nope. Stephen Riley, plant
It worked.
operations.
There are 5 ID markers showing up within the facility.
Let's hope they're still alive.
Should be. Here we are. Oh, there it comes. The bat scanner. Now, how would one deal with these guys? It's also a question. Well, suppose I could start with this.
Internal router? Yeah, don't worry, it's nothing. Just a glitch.
Okay, so
Phase 1 is a go. Yeah, thank God. I feel sorry for those poor guys stuck underground for weeks. Yeah, guess we're the lucky ones, huh?
Underground.
Stop talking. There's another pressure spike. Tell someone to vent it. Group 5, I'm seeing a spike in your location. Open the vents and flush the cooling system. Good. Now just work and stay quiet. I don't intend to get blown up because you two aren't paying attention. Yes, sir.
So wow, we got 2 guys only. Yeah, fear multi takedown these guys. Alright, they're all down. Whoever these thugs were. Gate release.
Oracle, they've killed one of the workers.
Damn it. We've got to stop them. Listen, I've managed to hack into the militia comms network. You'll be able to listen in on any channel-wide broadcast from now on.
Nice.
Thanks, Oracle. I found a way to get the Batmobile into the compound. They'll pay for this. All of them.
Open Ace Chemicals main gate. And there's the worker. He's dead.
Gates open. Time to bring in the car.
11. Select Batmobile remote.
main gate's open. Get ready. You got $1 billion tank headed straight for you.
We've deployed a diamond back to the main courtyard, sir. We'll crush him.
Gotta love their optimism. Your 60mm cannon will penetrate these heavily armored units, but it'll take a few direct hits to destroy them.
Alright. What am I doing? Oh, we're pulling the entire bridge up. Oh, and we're in.
Regular forces engaged in the loading bay. Diamondbacks in support.
I'm watching.
This is easy, man. Look at that, point and click.
Punch through the armor, just like you said.
He's searching for hostages. Keep non-essential radio chatter to a minimum. He'll be listening. You are listening, aren't you, Batman? Then listen to this. To all embedded units in Gotham, Operation Savior has begun. Each one of you has a role. Each of you knows your role. So move out of this damn city and lock it down. I want our hands wrapped tight around Gotham's throat within the hour.
Okay, so that's all of these tanks taken care of. Thing is, there are more. Now there's also these guys. I don't like them. You know what I'm saying? As such. Such, I take him out. Oh, ninjas, hello. Don't worry, I've fought ninjas before. We gotta deflect a bit more. There you go. No more ninjas. Soldiers, combat experts, guns, bonuses, max variation, blah blah blah. Alright. Let's use the crane. Okay. I see. So I can get the Batmobile to other places if I want to. Right by the crane. Okay, I see. Okay, so use the crane. You want to lower the crane, then leave it. Press 11 for the bat control remote. And then exit it. And then you can use the crane, spin it around, and head on up here. Actually, what the hell is that hook doing there? I gotta go check that out. Give me a second. There you go. Easy enough. Well, that was very cool for no reason. Okay, we can cross. How'd that work out for you? The guy's alive, I think.
Hey,
yeah.
you're gonna let me out, right?
Yeah. They barred the other doors.
Can I get some help here?
Oh, there's a door that way.
Thank God you're here. Go! Spread out!
Uh-huh. Hey, Arkham Knight. I can use the Batmobile now.
Keep your guns trained on him. If he even looks like he's planning to leave that room, open fire. Oh, and avoid the bat symbol. It's a little trick. It's where his armor's the strongest. Aim for the weak spots at the shoulders first, then coordinate fire at the points where the plates meet.
Please!
You say something?
Leave him out of this.
Always defending the weak and the helpless. It's what I like about you. Predictable. And that's why we're gonna win. We know your move before you do. We know how you think!
Okay.
Do you know what I'm thinking right now?
Of course. You're thinking, who the hell is this guy?
No. I'm just trying to decide which one of you I'm going to take out first.
And just so we're both on the same page here, I fully intend to kill you. But first, we're gonna make you suffer.
Mm-hmm.
We have the target. Just say the word and I'll end this now. Gotham will be ours. You don't understand. There are no second chances with this guy.
What the hell's he doing?
You'll regret this.
Batmobile assisted takedown. Thank you. Done. Well, that guy got shot twice with the riot suppressor. Didn't really do anything, but
So you're gonna let me go now, right?
yeah. Oh, but first, I leveled up. We'll start with this. Anything for 1? No. Anything for 1? No. Anything for 1? Yes. Grab to a ledge and transition directly into a takedown. Unleash a fear motivated to take on surrounding enemies. Service hatches. Okay, there you go. We'll do that. Rescue.
You're safe now.
You don't know the half of it, Batman. Scarecrow, he was...
Stay calm and tell me what you know.
They've been running the plant for hours. They brought in trucks, weapons, soldiers, shipments of hazardous materials. They knew exactly what they were doing.
He's producing his toxin on a massive scale.
It's bad. Real bad. We're talking about a gas cloud that could cover the entire eastern seaboard.
That's pretty
Where
bad.
do I find Scarecrow?
I got no idea. All I know is he's moving ahead with his plan. And he's got a whole freaking army backing him up. We're screwed, Batman.
I'll stop him. But first I'm getting you out of here. Wait by the Batmobile.
The Batplane? The jet?
Have you found Scarecrow?
Not yet. It's worse than I thought.
How much worse can it be?
He's building a bomb big enough to cover the entire East Coast in fear toxin. Take your men and get out of here. Head to GCPD and lock it down. Keep everyone inside.
I'll get my men off the streets, but I'm going nowhere. You bring anyone you find to me.
Jim, it's too dangerous.
You'll stop him. I know you will.
Alright. What the hell is this? Melting pot? We got a sandwich. Do we have Riddler things here? Okay, there you go. Founders Island, Bleak Island, whatever. Oh, we're getting him in. We only have 2 seats though. Escort the Ace Chemical workers to Gordon on the bridge.
Hold tight. I'll get you to Commissioner Gordon.
Master Bruce, there are militia tanks all over the city. Gotham is overrun.
If I don't stop Scarecrow's bomb, there'll be no city to save.
Alright. Here's the hostage. Take him.
Great work. I knew you wouldn't let us down.
We're not done yet, Jim. I'm going back for the others.
Of course I am. I'm Batman. This is what I do. Anyway, gotta get on the crane though. That should send us on that side, help us get in over there.
Aerial Unit C, I want the payload primed and ready to drop. Their army will be getting anywhere near this city.
Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Don't drop my tank, please. There you go, and then you press 11. Oh, I'm in. How did I get in? Give me a second. Alright, I'm back. And we are going here. Fight a bunch of tanks.
Final evacuation in T-minus 20 minutes.
20 more minutes. This is kind of easy though. Ah, look at this. What? I pressed E. I pressed E. I got shot by a tank.
You're old, you're predictable, and you never stood a chance.
Yeah. Old, predictable, never stood a chance. How do I use my special weapon? I want to use my missiles. Instead, I got out of the damn car. Ow. I can just do that. I can just ram into them.
Barely touch Alpha Target's vehicle. Offensive capability way beyond expectation.
He's been busy.
Oh god, he destroyed the tanks! Hey, don't worry, we've got more. Yeah, but not here. Not right this second. What if he comes up here? I'm not scared. Let him come. He thinks he's the big man. He's not. He's on the extinction list. So what do? We wait. For what? Orders. We're too exposed here. He's gonna pick us off one by one, just like the others. Damn, I just hope I survive long enough to see phase 2. I'm not afraid of the bat, tank or no tank. I'm telling you, he's coming for us. Nobody said anything about Batman having a tank. I thought we covered every angle. Isn't that what they said in the briefing? Anyone see him? Where is he? Well, he'll be coming. Just keep your eyes open.
Out of the car. Take him down.
Are you a doctor? A thug was also a doctor? Try to save him? Alright, well, I'm in. So, where's the actual exit of this place? Like, I'm gonna blow it up, sure. Okay, give me a second. Alright, let's break in. Spray some explosive gel. Save some people.
I need to
blow it
find a
up.
way to shut off that gas. It's toxic.
It
The
is
Batmobile
toxic.
will be able to destroy that pipe.
Okay. Oh, we gotta pull it. There you go. Well, this guy looks to be dead.
That's 2 dead workers now. I should have stopped this.
Can't be everywhere at once, Batman. Even if you try. So yeah, they've been doing some chemical stuff here. For sure. What happens to my cape?
Batman, look. I've been talking with Robin. I really think you should consider letting him help you. You're up against an entire army.
She's right. We're a team. This city needs both of us.
I can handle it, Robin. I've told you what you have to do. Now do it.
This can wait.
No, it can't. You know what's at stake. I need you to stay focused. or things will get worse. Much worse.
Now, what is he doing?
You shouldn't be so hard on Tim. He only wants to help.
Don't let your feelings for him cloud your judgment.
Oh,
You think I want him out there in harm's way? I'd rather he stay out of it. But he
Paint
could
thinner.
help you.
If Robin can't save those people, the fallout will be every bit as dangerous as Scarecrow's bomb.
what the hell is going on? Is he evacuating people? Okay, we gotta stop the gas. That guy might be dead as well. Oh, great.
The Batclaw won't work, but I can use the winch on the Batmobile.
Okay. Oh, we can break the fuse box. Open the shutter. Okay. There you go. There you go. This guy is also dead.
That's 3 dead now. These animals are going to pay.
We'll stop them. We always do, right?
Guess we try. Where's the last guy? Down there.
If I'm going to reach the worker, I need a way to move this elevator.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Ground forces, Founders Island is under our control. Watchtowers and checkpoints are fully operational. I want attack units on Niagani now. Give me a drone patrolling every damn back alley.
He's taking control of the city, of course. Give me a minute. Okay. Let me just break this wall, basically, and then I'll end the episode. Why not? Bang. Hold it. Are we gonna break the whole thing? Oh, we are dragging it up.
This is as high as the elevator will go.
Okay. So how am I gonna get into the elevator or? Aha. Alright. Now lower it slowly, please. Thank you. Alright. Oh.
Hey, you! On your feet! This way! Move! No, please! I said move!
He's alive. That's nice.
Take your hands off me! On what? You need me to teach you some manners? Please. You brought this on yourself. Now, take it like a man! So here's what I don't get. Night guy shows up out of nowhere and assembles an army this size. He must be richer than Bruce Wayne. How come I never heard of him? It's not his money. Every supervillain around is chipping in on this one.
Really?
It's all part of Scarecrow's plan. Yeah, the Knight took him for every city they had. How'd he convince them? Beats me, but he was convincing enough to get a $3 billion army. $3 billion to take Gotham? Talk about overkill. This isn't about Gotham. It's about Batman.
It is about me. Aha. Up we go.
No, phase 2 is worth it. My back's killing me.
This guy a bomb strapped to his back or something? No, he's a medic. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the episode right here.
Be careful. Those are hazardous chemicals.
And I'll be back. I'll take out these guys, save the last hostage, see what's going on. Anyway, see you in the next one.